Welcome to Nyam Nyam! In a bowl, add 110 grams of butter. Then add 90 grams of caster sugar. Whisk it well using an electric whisk. Then add 2 eggs and whisk again. Next, whisk in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now sift in 110 grams of self-raising flour, adding half a teaspoon of salt, and whisk again. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk into that to make the batter smooth. Put this mixture into a piping bag and pipe the mixture into cupcake moulds. Bake those in the oven at 175 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool. Now for the strawberry compote. Get a pan and put it on the stove, adding 900 grams of chopped strawberries. Mash them well. And then add 800 grams of caster sugar and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Cook and mix. Once done, remove from the heat. Pour into a jar and store in a cool, dry place. Now take the prepared cupcake and add some chocolate frosting on top. Stick on a waffle cone which has had the bottom cut off, and now pipe chocolate frosting onto the waffle cone to cover it. Pipe in your strawberry compote, filling the hole. And now decorate the cupcake using flakes, some orange royal icing, and some orange sugar sprinkles. There! Your volcano cupcakes are ready to be devoured! Look at that lava! An explosion of taste and colour. Enjoy!